Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for supporting me. And you already know this is going to be a very cute and bomb video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install clip-ins and how to make them look very natural. Like always, your girl got you. And without no further ado, let's head to the tutorial. So for the clip-ins, this is what we are going to be working with. This is the ombre type of clip-ins. I think this is 127 or so. I'm not really sure, but I really can't wait to try it on so that I can show you guys how cute these clip-ins look. So I have one packet has clip-ins looking like this, so I have two packets with So because I wanted this look to look really afro and kind of combed out, I'm going to be brushing the clip-ins like this before installing. And I had already washed the clip-ins, that's why they were out of the package. So I'm going to be brushing them out like that, then install. Yeah, I know guys, my hair is a mess, but this is the point for this tutorial, to show you guys how you can just slay in like a few minutes even if your hair is a mess. I have been having this my tutors for some time now, and I thought, why not spice it up and look cute and sexy and all that. So the reason why I love these clip-ins is the fact that they are very versatile. The fact that you can just do like almost any protective hairstyle using these clip-ins is the reason why I love them. So yeah, if you're having a bad hair day, guys, I've already plugged you in. You can always use your clip-ins to get any style that you want. You don't have to like go to the salon 24/7 and all that. These clip-ins will save your life for sure. So we are through with the first pack, so we are going to use the second pack to fill the front. And you can see guys, it already looks bulky and full. I think I'm going to be loving this look. Instead of installing it like this, I'm going to be turning it, then install from the other side, because I want it to have the illusion method from this side, because my hair is going to be falling from this point. So you can see how it looks. This is facing down and this is facing up, so I'm just going to do that. You can see it's already giving the illusion. Wow, it's giving the illusion around this area. So let's just finish this look. We want this area to be bouncy. I'm going to be installing it like I installed this. So remember to like put the clip in on the root of your braid or on the root of your matuta so that it can hold. because we want the front to look natural, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the front look very, very natural and all that. So what we are going to do is we are going to take, okay, let's start from this side. So you'll be taking a braid from inside, pass your crochet through, then pass the hair through around the hairline and all that, so that it can look natural. You see, you see guys, you guys can see how guys, I have this bobby pin. So okay, another trick is if you do not want too much hair going towards the front of your head, just take the clip-ins. So you take the bobby pin, then just take your bobby pin, pull it back, then just position it somewhere there. Then voila, a little bit on the front. Just trim a little. I feel so cute.
Hail me if they're hating on me, make the carry go. Pump me radio. Every day they play me pump me radio.
And you guys can peep the front. It looks so natural. You cannot actually see where the clips are. So let me do a 360 for y'all.
Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk.
So sadly guys, this is the end of this video. It's been a minute since I felt this cute. Oh my god, you can't even tell this a clip in, like it looks like a wig or something. Anyway, yeah, I look hot and I had to like switch it up. I had to switch up my accent to match my cuteness and hotness and all that. Anyway, you guys, I'm so happy with the way this hairstyle has turned out. I literally can't stop smiling. I feel like my cheeks hurt because of all the smiling and all that. I don't know if you guys can notice my happiness through the screen and all that, but anyway, so guys, like always, I got this clip-ins from Natural Hair Kenya. Guys, they got you. You want to look this cute. I used only 2 packs for this look and it looks so amazing and cute. I feel hot. No one can tell me nothing right now because yo, your girl is pretty painting. And make sure you subscribe if you're new here. What are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you can get a notification once I upload and all that, and give me a like and a thumbs up because it definitely helps my channel. Until our next video, yeah, bye.